Hey, I got two AI tools that would 10 times your business. I promise. The second one is totally unbelievable. So the first one right here is Oxolo. In Oxolo, if you already have a link for your products, maybe you've put it in Amazon, on Spotify, on ST, any of those platforms, all you have to do is enter your URL right here. When you are seeing enter URL, and these are all the target platforms. You can even select which language you want your product to be, and it will generate video for you for your product, just like this. You will have the video for your product. Now the next one is before I go to the next one, you can check through all its features. So Oxolo has both the free version and the pricing version, and like with other freemium products, free version is kind of limited to its capability and the things it can do. Rather, the one that is paid for is absolutely wonderful. Now let's go to the second product. I so much love this one. It is called Flair.ai. And in this Flair.ai, all you have to do is to enter your product in the canvas and generate a prompt for it, whatever prompt it is, and it will generate just this for you. All you have to do is bring the product here, generate a prompt of how you want it to work, what kind of space and environment do you want, and these are all the seasoned products that have been generated here. Now this is something that product designers do, and I so much love it. You can just turn your product into an amazing zine. So if you like this video and you want more of this, kindly subscribe to this channel, drop a comment, like this video, and I will bring more awesome products your way. Till I see you again, my name remains MFONISO. Stay blessed and have a great life.